Fonton's BGA 936A professional rework equipment uses the unique innovative patent design to provide the best solution of products toward the 3C industry in the IC chip soldering and desoldering operation. BGA 936A adopts the characteristics of high flow rate, low pressure and low temperature in reflow. It can completely guarantee the electronic characters and soldering quality of BGA chips. Moreover, the outstanding product characters make the rework soldering yield approach 100%. Meanwhile, it applies the worldwide only diversion plate design for flow and temperature modulation that can provide the most perfect reflow operation regarding non-isothermal heating to parts 4 different edges. To promote equipment's operation efficiency, BGA 936A has applied the fast cooling device that will significantly reduce the post-solder cooling time. As for the bottom preheating design, it complies with the varied PCB sizes to heat up in 3 independent zones, or to the entire PCB over the extra big bottom heater installed, which can effectively overcome the PCB's warp or twist effect due to incomplete preheating process. Besides, the super large fixture can be fit for various PCB sizes and expanded to clamp up PCB in the size of 600 by 680 millimeters. BGA 936A applies the innovative different color alignment system to let BGA solder balls appear apparent contrast to PCB pad's position, which makes the aligning state of BGA, CSP, fine pitch BGA, QFP, LLP, or CPU socket become more clear, speedy, and precise. Besides, the thoughtful micro-tuning design can perform micro-tuning in X, Y-axis direction, theta, as well as in vertical direction to make the soldering quality more secured. To avoid forming the part's displacement from moving alignment, BGA 936A has applied the coaxial alignment system to make both the elements soldering and alignment performed in identical position. And BGA 936A preserves super big prism design that can process on bigger BGA parts. The available BGA sizes vary from 1 to 70 millimeters, and amplification factor from 10 to 50. BGA 936A has preserved the characters of convenient, accurate, and efficient. In particular, that it applies new fuzzy industrial-level microprocessor controlling system and combines built-in 99 set memories that is available storing the profiles in need. Operators can accomplish the profile setting directly over the controller and online to operate in a very short time. Moreover, the nozzle is able to make 360-degree rotation, and the equipment has auto Z-axis elevation design. By applying precise linear sliding rail kit, it can move fast and in energy saving that makes operation smooth, fast, and remarkable upgrade the soldering efficiency. To meet the convenient and precise operation, there are 3 sets of thermocouple to record the temperatures and profiles on both PCB sides and BGA device. It will make 100% precise reflow profile and allows the operator to make parameter settings as desired. And to cooperate with the lead-free soldering process, we can add nitrogen reflow equipment and solder paste printing fixture to print the BGA chip within 30 seconds. That has magnificently elevated the overall working efficiency. Fonton's BGA 933A is the reflow equipment with high efficiency, high precision, and multi-functions, designed particularly for small-size BGA devices. The maximum clamping size is 410 by 350 millimeters. In the precise design, BGA 933A has applied the new fuzzy industrial-level controlling system and color LCD monitor that can build in 99 sets of memory modules, letting the operator set up the parameters of temperature, time, flow rate, and luminance directly over the control panel. Meanwhile, it can make online operations quickly. In the operation efficiency, BGA 933A has not only applied the temperature and flow rate diversion plate design, it also provides unique cooling system, an extra-large bottom preheating system that can divide the PCB into 2 heating zones and heat them up independently. And the auto Z-axis elevation can be adjusted manually or automatically to speed up the soldering efficiency. To make the soldering work more accurate, BGA 933A hence has applied the worldwide first different color alignment system to provide accurate and efficient soldering operation to varied components. BGA 935BL is famous on the easy operation and high efficiency. It can precisely, effectively perform soldering and desoldering. This equipment not only contains PID programmable controller, but also bears expandable profile memorizing function that can be expanded up to 9 sets. Meanwhile, the unique hot air forcible guide nozzle will discharge out the hot air after performing the heating process and not to affect the PCB surrounding parts. Besides, through the static pressure silent wind blowing system, BGA 935BL can totally control the electronic characters and soldering quality over high flow rate, low pressure, and low temperature reflow. BGA 935BL, which bears many patents, is the only one worldwide making diversion plate design for flow and temperature modulation that can provide the non-isothermal heating to parts 4 different edges. And it has been equipped with bottom heater to set up operation temperature conforming to actual demand and effectively improves the overall working efficiency. The SMD 928S, bearing the simple, fast, and reliable characters, is designed to provide a convenient and speedy solution plan for SMD soldering and desoldering operation. This product has the following characteristics. 1. It applies speedy temperature rising plate heater to solder or desolder various SMD parts safely and efficiently. 2. It has PID temperature controlling system to the accuracy of plus or minus 1 degree Celsius, completely preventing temperature inaccuracy from occurring therein. 3. It has time indicating device to set up reflow time required. 4. It can be applied to reball the BGA chips. Fonton Industrial Company Limited, founded in 1985, applies innovative technologic capacity and professional service to provide customers with the most advanced technical support and high-quality electronic processing equipment. To cooperate with the global operation, we've already built international marketing system to provide customers service directly. Except being already passed ISO 9001 QA certificate, we have also been granted with TUV, CE, and UL certificates, as well as others. Besides, our perfect product service has already earned thousands of well-known vendors to apply and give their reliability to us. In the coming days, we'll provide more perfect technologic service and value-added product service, making a splendid win-win vision with our customers.